Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting down to basics with a powerful Excel formula. Today, have you ever needed to automatically insert the current date into your spreadsheets? Maybe you're tracking deadlines, generating reports, or managing financial records. Well, the Today formula is your one-stop solution. The Today formula is a dynamic function in Excel that automatically returns the current date. The syntax for the Today formula is super simple. Let's see it in action with a practical example. Imagine we're managing various tasks or projects, and you want to set deadlines from today based on required working days. Let's put the formula equals to, type today bracket open, bracket close, no arguments or additional information needed, and add the working days required. And there you have it. The today function will update automatically to reflect the current date, and we've set deadlines for some tasks to be a few days from today. But wait, there's more. The Today function can also be combined with other functions to perform more advanced calculations. For example, let's say we want to calculate the number of days remaining until each deadline. Then type equals to, select deadline date minus today bracket open, and close, and hit the enter. You have to change the format to number from here. By subtracting the current date, using the Today function, from the deadline date, we can easily determine the remaining time. Or you can use days formula. All you have to do is type days bracket open, end date will be deadline date, comma. Start date is today, so type today bracket open close and hit the enter. There you have it. As the date changes, the Today formula automatically updates the cell with the most recent date, ensuring your data remains current. So, whether you're managing projects, tracking finances, or organizing personal tasks, the Today function is a valuable tool for staying up to date with your data. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Excel tutorials. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.